What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Welcome back to those of you that subscribe to my channel. But for those of you that have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos, okay? I'm back, guys. All right, today it's going to be a short video, but I just want to share something with you guys. As you can see on my screen, it says $1. $1. Okay, and what is this regarding? Okay, I'm here to show you some actual training, okay, that you can actually access for a whole buck. Okay, Zero Rejection Marketing. Okay, how to leverage social media and get free leads and signups in your primary business. Okay. So I want to share something with you. I want you to go check it out. I'm going to put the link below. All right. And this way you can get access to this, because I'm sure if you're out there and you're trying to market something online, okay, and you're trying to figure out, well, how do I promote it? You need to be educated on how to promote and market, whatever it is. Okay. So this platform is going to give you step by step, day by day, hold your hand, okay, and train you, okay? And we actually have access to training 5 days a week, all right? So let's check it out. Hang on, let me show you what it's all about. So this is the deal. Let's address the elephant in the room. You're trying to promote something online. What is the problem? You've run out of prospects. Nobody's there to guide you. You're tired of getting rejected. Nothing is working for you. You feel stuck and overwhelmed, and they didn't give you a plan, right? That's typical. I mean, I experienced the same thing 2011 when I came online. I had something I was trying to promote that was great and wonderful, but I didn't know how to promote, okay? So we're going to solve that problem, because I know it's many, many, many of you out there that's going through this. I even get the calls, hey, I'm in, you're telling me you're in another program and you're asking me how to promote it. So this is what you need. You need to be educated on marketing. So this is strictly about marketing and how to do it the correct way. Okay. So let's talk about this real quick. The problem is you consistently getting rejected. You recruit next to nobody and you waste countless hours on social media. They didn't tell you who your dream prospects really are. So you really don't know your target market. Okay, you don't know who to target. They didn't give you a marketing strategy. So we have that for you here. And as I stated earlier, you can get access to this for $1. Okay, so let's talk about, that's the problem. Now, how do we solve it? What's the solution? What's the solution? You need to get a crystal clear. Okay, you need to be crystal clear on who your prospects are. That's number one. And you need a daily action plan to attract those people to you every day. Because I know I didn't have a daily method of operation when I got started. You're going to get that as well. For this $1, it's going to include a daily method of operation. Okay, you're going to get a whole lot of great valuable training, but that's included. Okay, so let me show you more about it. All right, so it's called Zero Rejection Marketing Makeover. All right, so they actually teach you how to market and promote your primary business. Okay, so this is not going to interfere with what you already have. This is actual education. Okay, digital education. So let's see what's included. Number one, you're going to get 30-day access to this whole marketing platform. Okay, I had to pay a membership fee. You're going to get it for $1 for 30 days. So you're going to get everything that the members normally get. You're getting it for $1, and you're going to get live coaching and the community for 30 days, guys. Trust me, this is powerful. Okay, you get all that for free, whereas the rest of us had to pay a membership. Okay, so you can get this coaching Let me show you what the schedule looks like. A plethora of training. So you're going to get everything you need to learn how to promote your business, whatever it is. Okay, so here's our schedule. Let me move this down a little bit over here so that you can see this. Okay, as it states, you get live daily coaching for 30 days. Okay, so check it out. First of all, every day, Monday through Friday at 11 o'clock, we have what's called like a wake-up call, some great motivation. Okay, and this is free. This is free for everybody. So you can dial in during the week and just check it out. Now, on Monday, we have what's called the new member orientation. I haven't seen anything like this online, okay, that actually help the new members get started. Because again, this is an education platform. I like to call it a university. Okay, I'm a student in the university, and you want to become a student as well. Now, I always remain a student because you want to always learn. You should be learning every day. Doesn't matter what status you're at. You're going to always continue your education in your niche or your craft or your career. Okay, same here with home business. Okay, so you get a new member orientation. So if you decide to go ahead and pay your $1, on Monday you're going to get a live training. Okay, just to walk you through everything. And if you have questions, they're going to be live right there to answer them. Put them in the chat. They will answer your questions. So Monday you have that. Tuesday at 3 o'clock, we have Marketing Mastery and Funnel Demo. Every Tuesday at 3. Wednesday, this is free to everybody. On Wednesday, we have a free marketing training. Okay, that's for everybody. Okay, that's powerful. Thursday at 3, we have social media networking and prospecting. And Friday, we have what they call at 5 o'clock, happy hour live interactive question and answer demos. So this company has been around since 2008, guys, so they know what they're doing. Some of the top earners have come out of this university. Okay, so they have trained the best of the best. So you actually get educated on how to properly, correctly promote without spamming folks, going to their messenger, just splattering a link, okay, when nobody asked for it, okay, or texting them. Now, if they didn't ask for it, they didn't opt into your page, they didn't ask for it, so that would be spamming. If someone actually went to your capture page, put in their name and email and phone number, and then you started broadcasting to them, they gave you permission. Okay, so that's not spamming. So this company is going to teach you how to do that the correct way, where people come to you. They call you and ask you about your business and what are you doing to be successful. So for $1, you get this. And look at all the stuff you get. Check this out. Check it out. I'm going to let you go through all this yourself, but I just want you to see this. 40 courses. Now, this is amazing. I love this. The 40 courses, the daily method of operations, which is what I mentioned earlier, meaning what you should be doing every day, step by step. Okay, you get that for free. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below. I want you to go through all this, but I just wanted to scroll through it just a little bit so you can see what you're getting. Okay, and all this is for $1, guys. $1. And they tell you here, if you don't want it after 30 days, you can cancel it. Okay? But if you're promoting something online, you want to learn the right way to promote it. Okay? And not chasing people down. Now, here's some testimonies of some people using this training. Okay, here's a person. Just realized I've enrolled at least one person a day. Okay, here's another one. Using the attraction marketing training, I made $1,000 sale in my high ticket business. So again, you want to take what you learn here and actually implement it in your primary business. So that's what they're stating here, that they're able to use these strategies, okay, to help them in their primary business. Look at all the testimonies from these folks. I got 10 leads on day 1. Okay. After 5 days, I got my first lead, and they actually wanted info. Hey, I think this really works. So all these folks are giving their testimony. You can click the link below. Go check this out for yourself. But this actually works, guys. Like I said, this company's been around since 2008. The university training marketers like you and I, okay, how to promote your primary business. So you can't lose with learning, okay? And zero rejection, and no advertising, no paid advertising. This is going to be free methods of how you can promote your primary business, okay? So I'm going to show you some of the back office of that really quickly. Here's another one I like. Got my first sign up in 48 hours, okay? First commission. Here's some my first commission check, first of many more to come. They're using these strategies, guys, and they're winning. It's helping them to win in their primary business. Look at all these testimonies, on and on and on. Leads are coming in. So if you use these methods, you can get these results as well. So let me flip over to what you'll actually see. And here's some more testimonies, videos of people. Okay. Frequently asked questions. See, so once you click that link, you can go down here and click on this, and you'll probably get some of your questions answered. And if you have further questions, give me a call. So let me just show you the back office of some of this training. Okay, I'm in my back office. Okay, so let's take a look. Go under training, my training library. Okay. Okay, and it even tells you here, if you're a beginner, only work phase 1, don't jump around, stay right here. But here's some of the training that I'm talking about, okay, that you're going to get access to. The 40 training courses, they go on and on and on and on, okay. But let me show you what I really like. All this is great, valuable stuff, guys. Let me show you one of the things that I really like. This right here, these lead gen campaigns. You're going to get that. You get 21 of those that you can give out training to your team. Okay? All this is included in that $1. Okay? Everything you see is going to be included in that $1. Okay? And when you log in, as you can see right here, it gives you your schedule. They're always telling you what's going on, okay? And I've earned some commissions. That's why that's showing up there. But they're always telling you what's going on for the day or for the week. It's very user-friendly, newbie-friendly. You don't have to guess what's going on. But this zero marketing is what you need. This is what you need. This is what you need. If you want to be successful online, you've got to learn how to market. A clear plan to grow your business without rejection. Okay, and this is where most people fail. I know, because it happened to be. I didn't really know how to promote it, so I was telling people that I know, but they're not targeted people. They're not an entrepreneur. They're not an affiliate like me, so they wouldn't understand what I was trying to explain to them. So when you have this type of training and education, you don't have to even deal with those folks, because you're going to have people coming to you. You're going to put some information out. If they're interested, they're going to come to you and ask you for that information. So therefore, there is no rejection. You get it? So if you had someone that could take you day by day and tell you how to do this and be successful, would you do it? This is what you have for $1. Okay? And as it states, it's, 30 days. If you decide you don't want it, you can cancel. But who wouldn't want to be educated and learn how to promote their business to be more successful? Okay? So with that being said, that's it for today. I want to bring this to you. Zero Rejection Marketing. I'm going to put the link below. Go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.